In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Microsoft Teams video background before a meeting. If you've ever found yourself scrambling seconds before a call, trying to make sure you're presenting your most professional side, don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy steps to check everything ahead of time. First off, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. It can be a little intimidating at first, but with a few clicks, you'll be navigating like a pro. You're looking for the calendar icon. It should be on the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. Now, within the calendar section, you'll see a delightful little button tucked away at the top right corner. This says Meet Now. Click on Meet Now for a quick setup. Think of this as your private meeting space, where you can dress rehearse and make all your mistakes far from prying eyes. You'll have the option here to enter a meeting name if you like. While it's optional, sometimes naming it Test Meeting can help remind you of its purpose. After you set a test meeting name or skipped that step altogether, click on Start Meeting. Up will pop a screen preview designated beautifully just for you. Here's where the real magic happens. Before you excitedly hit that Join Now button, take a glance at the lower middle section of the screen. There will be a small rectangle showcasing your video feed, and beside it, some buttons, one of which is the video effect filter. Click on the background filters icon. It's the little icon that might look like a person in front of some lush scenery. Once you click it, you'll be presented with a spectrum of options. From professional office settings and a beachside retreat to custom backgrounds that match your company branding or personal flair, feel free to choose whatever suits your meeting's tone. It's worth mentioning that you can also upload your custom background if you'd like. Just hit the Add New button and upload the desired image from your computer. While previewing your background, ensure that you're recognizable and not blending into your virtual setting. If anything seems amiss, adjust the positioning of your camera or choose a background that contrasts more sharply with your outfit. It's a nifty little feature, the preview. It allows you to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're happy with your selection, go ahead and click Join Now. Technically, you're in a meeting, but it's one with just you in attendance. Feel free to carry out a thorough inspection of how your video and background appear. It might be a good time to play with lighting, too. Adjusting your room's light source can make a massive difference to how you're perceived on screen. Before leaving the meeting, make sure to save any changes or settings to avoid redoing them later. And there you have it, a thorough way to ensure that your video background is polished and professional before joining any crucial meeting. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this guide both helpful and reassuring.